Hi friends, I shall now read the poem Winter Wind by George Bernard Shaw. Cruel winter wind, so cold, must you really blow? Are your knees so very old? Are your knees so very old to make you come and go year for year? The complaints do grow from man, from beast and bird. Will you bring us snow, our laments left unheard? Is there no other way for you, your talents, us to show? Can you not think of something new? Can you not think of something new for God's creatures here below? Now I see you have heard my prayer, your strength outblown at last, gently rustling through my hair. Spring is coming fast. Through spring, summer, and autumn, wind so cold. Through spring, summer, and autumn, wind so cold. Think of something new. I know that you are very old. Think of something new. I know that you are very old, but you chill me through and through. I have no room for you, indeed. I have no room for you, indeed. So keep away for me a summer breeze to all I need, blowing in from off the sea, blowing in from off the sea, blowing in from off the sea.